Hello everyone, my name is Tomo. Today's kanji is dai. This kanji means big. This is originally coming from the person who is spreading his both arms, as you can see. This is the right stroke order. 音読み、大。訓読み、大きい。bush is 大。This whole kanji itself can be bush. Let's see some examples. 大きい車 means big car. 私は大きい車が好きです。私は大きい車が好きです。私は大きい車が好きです。私は大きい車が好きです。means I like big cars. 好き means like, and if we add die in front of 好き it means like a lot. Kandai means having a big heart. So, kandai na hito means the person who is thoughtful, does not blame, generous, big-hearted, and can forgive someone. 彼は寛大な人です。彼は寛大な人です。彼は寛大な人です。彼は寛大な人です。means he's a generous person. 偉大 means great and it's formal. あなたは偉大です。あなたは偉大です。あなたは偉大です。あなたは偉大です。means you are great. 大体 means mostly or approximately. 理解する means understand. So, 大体理解できた。大体理解できた。大体理解できた。大体理解できた。means I could understand mostly. 大体200ドルほどでした。大体200ドルほどでした。大体200ドルほどでした。大体200ドルほどでした。means it was about $200. 大体 also can mean originally. In this meaning, it is used with a negative emotion such as to blame someone. In this case, it can be replaced with そもそも or 元はといえば All of them mean originally. だいたいあいつが悪いんだよ。だいたいあいつが悪いんだよ。だいたいあいつが悪いんだよ。だいたいあいつが悪いんだよ。He or she is the cause of the problem. This is a very casual form, so だいたいあの人が悪いんですよ。だいたいあの人が悪いんですよ。だいたいあの人が悪いんですよ。だいたいあの人が悪いんですよ。This is more formal. 器が大きい。器 means container or caliber. 器が大きい can be the same with 寛大。彼は器が大きい。 彼は器が大きい。彼は器が大きい。彼は器が大きい means he is very tolerant or he is a man of high caliber. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. If you want to learn more Japanese from me, please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions about this lesson or any requests, please comment below. I will answer. Also, please visit the website PlainJapanese.com to review for today's lesson. I explain there for further details on this lesson. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.